Hi there! Thanks for signing up, and this LambdaTest tutorial video will help you deep dive into responsive testing and mobile view debugging using the ltbrowser. The ltbrowser is a developer-friendly browser that will help you instantly view, build, and debug your website on 45+ mobile, tablet, and desktop resolutions. Make sure you have an ltbrowser downloaded on your desktop. You can find the links to download in the video description. Once you log in, type in the URL you'd like to test and select the primary device resolutions from the left. You can choose a variety of mobile, tablet, and desktop device resolutions. What sets ltbrowser apart from your normal browser is the ability to view your web app on two different device resolutions side by side. Click on Add button to view your mobile website over a secondary device resolution simultaneously. You can always change the secondary device resolution by the Replace button. You can even add a custom device. Just type your device name, define the screen resolution, device pixel ratio, and user agent for a mobile, tablet, desktop, or even a laptop. Once you're done, click on the Added device. The new device resolution is added on the comparison grid. Once you have added the custom device, it gets added on the toolbar under category Custom and is automatically saved for future usage. You can add as many custom device resolutions as you like. To delete a custom device resolution, simply click on the bin icon and confirm. If you repeatedly use a specific device resolution, you can mark it as your favorite by clicking on the star icon. All your favorite devices will be shown under the Favorites selection. You can also search for any device by its name using the search option present on the top of the left toolbar or while adding a new device. Now, once you're done finding the right custom device resolutions, it is time to ensure the responsiveness of your mobile website. Open the two device resolutions side by side and compare your mobile website. The ltbrowser will mirror all your interactions made over one device onto the other. What that means is every scroll, click, and text specification action over one device is automatically cloned on another. Now, there may be instances where you would want to turn off the device sync. For example, the difference in viewport or screen resolution might be too big if you're comparing a tablet view with a mobile view, or if your website has capture involved. Then you would have to turn off the device sync. To do that, simply head to the settings and turn the toggle off for the device sync. If you come across any bug, the ltbrowser also allows you to capture a screenshot of your website. To do so, you just need to click on the camera icon, and that's it. You can either capture a screenshot of a viewable area or generate a full-page screenshot of your website. Under Browser Settings, you will find the toggle to capture full-page screenshots. Simply turn that on, and the next time you click on the camera icon, a full-page screenshot will be generated. You can confirm the device resolution and viewport for which the screenshot is generated from here. After a screenshot is captured, you can easily highlight the bug using the toolbar on the left with different shapes and colors. You can even add a note. Once done, click on the Mark as Bug option. You can integrate LambdaTest with your favorite project management, bug tracking, or instant messaging tool. That way, when you mark a bug on LambdaTest, it will automatically be shared to your projects or workspace so your colleagues can access it. Cool, right? To learn more around LambdaTest integrations, you can refer to this playlist on the top right. You can then fill in the details of your bug, set a priority, assign it to a member of your team, and send it directly to your integrated platform by clicking on Create Issue. But what if it doesn't integrate with your favorite tool? Don't worry, you could still share it by clicking on the Share icon, enter the details to share, and hit Send. For instant sharing, generate the link, click on Copy, and share it with your teammates quickly. You can even download the edited image or save it in the browser media. This issue will be reflected in your LambdaTest account under the Tab Issue Tracker on the left toolbar. Want to view your website in landscape mode? Click on Rotate and test if your content is responsive in landscape mode just with a single click. 𝘤𝘬𝘪𝘆 offers inbuilt developer tools to help you debug your website on the fly. You could also inspect your website on different devices simultaneously. If you ever come across any bug which is either too complex to reproduce or isn't reproducible for your colleague, then you can record the video of your test session as a proof of concept and share it across. The timer on top will indicate the duration of your video recording. You can end it by clicking on the same icon again. You can find your recent recorded video inside Media. Media acts as a gallery where you will find all of your captured screenshots and recorded videos. If you want to share any of these, just select and share them, or you can even share them individually. Simulating network conditions is one of the core features of ltbrowser that makes it easier for the developers and designer to test the website at the initial stages. At a click of a button, you can test your website on different network speeds and see how your website looks or behaves at these variable speeds. With ltbrowser, you can perform a usability test on slow networks and debug on the go. Network throttling allows you to see how your website behaves when offline or on 3G or 4G network speeds. You can simulate the network conditions with just a single click and check how your website performs on different network conditions. Speaking of performance, ltbrowser allows you to generate a performance report of your website in just a single click. This performance report is powered by Google Lighthouse. You can find different performance metrics that can help you analyze and improve your website or web app's performance. Just like Mark as Bug, you can share this performance report with your colleagues using the Share button. You can do that by either entering the email ID or by creating a shareable link. You will also find a list of opportunities that can help you load your page faster. Similarly, you can find a list of errors and warnings under the Diagnostics tab. Towards the bottom, you can find which device resolution was used to generate the performance report along with the time it took for the page to load fully. You can also view the duration for the DOM processing and browser processing duration of your web page. These timestamps would change depending over your network connection. So if you're leveraging the network throttling feature, you can see the difference of your page load times over slower network conditions. The website under test is mentioned in the bottom of the report along with the date and time when the report was generated. Also, with ltbrowser, you can now check your locally hosted website's responsiveness as well. All you need to do is turn on your local path URL and it will reflect on your website on the selected devices, making your development process even smoother. If you're a React fan, then you'll be glad to know that the ltbrowser supports hot reloading too. Just like any other browser, you can go back and forth using the navigation arrows, refresh the web page, and leverage keyboard shortcuts with the ltbrowser. You can find the list of all active keyboard shortcuts in the video description. Not only that, if your website has any JavaScript error, the exclamation symbol on the address bar will help you diagnose it. Fun fact, if you want to test multiple web pages at the same time, you can open a new tab with a different set of device resolutions. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you get started with the ltbrowser. You can find it in the Help section of the ltbrowser. If you face any challenges, feel free to reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. Thanks for being with us thus far. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the new features and integrations with the LambdaTest platform. Happy testing!